Hello guys, in this video we are going to be getting a website for our business from scratch, and what that means is that we are going to be buying the domain and the hosting as well. All right, then we're going to install WordPress and start designing the website from scratch. The first thing you need to buy a domain and a hosting. You need a hosting company that you can get a hosting plan, usually 1 year interval. You just come here and type hosting providers or whatever hosting companies. Then you're going to see a list of them. There are so many of them. All right, so many of them. You can choose anyone that suits you. This is Hugo Host, Domain King. Then this is Namecheap. I love using Namecheap a lot. I love using Namecheap. So you just come here and just put in the name that you want to use, and then you're going to buy it. But I'm not going to be using Namecheap for this particular one because the domain name I want to use, the domain.ng that I want to use, Namecheap does not have it. Namecheap only have .com and other ones. All right. So, but this particular business is a Nigerian business based in Nigeria, and the person wants to service Nigerian customers, and he wants a .ng. So I'm going to head to a Nigerian hosting company called SmartWeb. So I'm just going to call here SmartWeb. Then it's going to bring me to SmartWeb website where I can see all of their services and all that. Then I'm just going to either log into my account if I have an existing account. So you can see some of their plans .com, .ng. So it's quite cheap. They offer very cheap services and their services are reliable. I've been using them for the past 4 years for my own website and it's been great. So here it is very simple. If you want to use them, just simply come here and search for, just put in the name. First, you need to check if the website, if the name you want to use is available, if it has not been taken by someone else. So you do that by just typing in here. You can either go to hosting or domain, whichever one, domain registration. You can transfer your domain. If you already have a domain from another website, you can also, domain resell and all of that. You can also come to hosting and see there are different hosting plans. But let's just go straight and first of all search if the name that we want is available. So you type in the name you want your business to be. So this is .ng. So let's remove this .ng and click on search domain. So it's going to check if your domain is available and in what extensions they are available in. So you can see, congratulations, ppliothub.ng is available, as you can see, and it has a monthly fee of 10,000 naira, which is actually very good. Then you can see the available extensions. This is .com. .com is 23,500 for a year. Then .ng is 10,000 and all of that. So you choose which of them you want. If you come down here, you can also see hosting. You can also see all of that. So we want .ng. So I'm going to click on .ng to add that to cart. So I've added .ng to cart. I'm just going to click on checkout. So here you can see I have added my ppliothub.ng. So please review your domain registration. So now this is just for the domain registration. We want to register the domain, but we also need to host it on the internet so that any person can also view the domain from anywhere. All right. So here I am going to choose hosting. No hosting. Click here to add. I'll click on add hosting. It's going to bring me here to choose which package I want depending on the size of business that you're running. But if you're starting, this standard package is okay. You have 10 gig memory space, and then you have 60 gig monthly. They'll give you 60 gig monthly for your space. Now you need to consider the size of the gig that you're going to have, the size of memory space, because if you're someone that does a lot of uploads, then you may want to consider a larger bandwidth. Like if you're a big company, if you're a school, you do a lot of activities on your website, a lot of people visit your website, you need to buy enough bandwidth that's going to carry that traffic. Okay, because if you buy a smaller space, it's going to become a problem when you load heavy traffic in it or upload heavy files on your website. So you may want to just consider this one gives you 3 gig and then 15 gig monthly, but it's cheaper. This one gives you the business plan gives you 20 gig and 150 gig, and all that. But this is just a small business that is starting, so I'm going to use a standard package. If we go for this one, 10 gig web space and then 60 gig monthly bandwidth. So what that means is that we are going to have 10 gig to upload files, your pictures, your videos, your text. You're going to have 10 gig space to upload all of those things on your website. Then every month they are going to give you 60 gig bandwidth. This 60 gig bandwidth means that enough traffic, you can have enough traffic on your website. So this is the one we are going to be going for, standard package. I'll just click on order to order for this hosting plan. Then you can see we have our website name, and then we'll have the hosting added. So I'm just going to click on use. So here is going to show me everything I've selected. I've selected my domain name. This is the hosting, and I've selected all of these things: site lock, website security. No, we don't need this one. We don't need to buy it. Powerful website builder. No, we don't need this. You don't need any all of these things. You can install plugins to do all of these things for you in your website. Okay, so professional email. No, you don't need all of that. So just leave all of these ones and just go for only what you have. This is your order summary. Here we have the Linux hosting for 1 year and then the domain registration. So I'm just going to click on continue. It is going to bring us here where we've added the domain. As you can see, domain has been added. So we're going to be registering the website, and also it comes with a domain. All right, so how about the DNS management? Okay, you can add this since it is free. They say it is absolutely free. Then email forwarding, get email forwarded to alternative email address. Okay, you can also add this since it's free. Anything that is free, you just add it, then click on continue. So here's the summary of everything we've selected that we want to buy. We want to buy the standard package hosting. I want to buy this is the domain registration. Okay, this is the domain registration, and this is the domain hosting. uh we don't need any of these things. Drop and drop site builder, daily, all of these things, you don't need any of them. You are going to use plugins to get all of these things. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Then you go ahead and check out. This is the total money you're going to be paying for both your domain hosting and then your domain registration. So we are okay with everything that's here. Then we're going to proceed to checkout. Click on checkout to complete your payment. So here you're going to require to fill up your details. Now, this your detail is actually going to be creating an account for you on the website as well, because you need to have a back end, because you need to have a cPanel to be able to control your website DNS, your website hosting or whatever. So you need to create an account. You need to put in your details here. So I'll quickly put in my details. Okay, so I'm just going to fill up my detail, put my name, my email, my phone number, put my location, my address, put the zip code. This zip code, if you don't know your zip code, just go to Google and type zip code for your just put Warri zip code. I put Warri zip code and I got the zip code. Then I go to scroll down, put your just fill up this detail, put where you met them, basically normal filling up, just normal filling of details. Then come down, choose a password. This is very important. Make sure you choose a strong password that you're going to remember. We need to enter a strong password. So here, so on entering your password, make sure you use both capital letter, small letter, use alphabets, numbers, and characters. Okay, just to make your password strong. Good. So type in the password here, retype the same password here. It is just quickly going to create a password for you that you're going to use to log into your account. All right, then you scroll down. Here you're going to see your total bill, 39,237. Then choose a payment method you want to use. You can pay by Paystack if you want to use your card, or if you want to transfer, then choose Paystack. If you want to go to the bank and deposit, they are going to give you an account number to go and deposit. You use this one. Then Flutterwave. I think currently Flutterwave is not working, so that is it. Then I don't want to join any mailing list, so I've read and understand. Make sure you click on this one, then click on complete order. Great. So it will bring us here where we are going to make that payment. So I'll just save the password. Then this is the detail, the whole information about this. You can even print or download this particular receipt. Download it, which is okay. It has downloaded in my system. Then I'm going to click on you can still change your payment method here, but this is okay. We'll click on pay. Click on pay now. So it's going to bring up this thing for you where you can now complete your payment. Okay. So you can pay by card, put in your card details here, put in your information, your card expiring date, and then the CVV if you want to pay by card. Okay, but we don't want to pay by card. I just want to make a transfer. So you click on transfer. It's going to bring up an account number and the amount you're going to pay into that account. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to just copy this account number and go to my bank app and complete that payment. So here in my bank app, I'm just going to click on transfer. Then I'm going to type in that account number 906228 652. So I'm going to look for the bank. The bank name is Titan Trust Bank. This is Paystack Titan. It's different from, let me search for Paystack Titans. You can see Paystack Microfinance Bank, which is this one. So I'm going to select that. Then it's going to validate Paystack checkout. Yes, click on confirm. So we are paying to Titan Paystack Microfinance Bank, which is Paystack Titan. Yeah, that's correct. Then we are going to type in the amount 39. Make sure it's the exact amount, okay? 39,926, and then you have 06. This is the exact amount. All right. And remember, you have time in here. You have about 30 minutes to complete this payment. So I'm just going to come here and type in narration. Though this is not necessary, you can just skip it and click on proceed. This is the exact amount I'm paying. They're going to charge me 20 naira to complete this payment for me. I'm going to click on proceed. Then I'll put in my password. Then I'm going to click on enter. The payment has been received, as you can see. I don't even need to do anything. Once that payment is made, automatically the payment is successful, guys. We have successfully paid for our website. So you're just going to wait for them to this page to reload, and then they are creating your account on the website also. So it's automatically going to redirect you to your home page. Well, that home page is now your dashboard, right? So right now, automatically, as you can see, we have been moved to another page, which is your dashboard. Order confirmation. Thank you for your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. So your order number is this. This is the order number. And then if you have any questions, whatever. So continue to client area. I'm just going to click here. So here is going to bring us to the client area. As you can see, it automatically logs us into our website. So here you can see all the details, everything about you, everything you bought. You can see that we have one service and one domain. If you open that domain, you're going to see that it is that same domain that we registered, PP Elliott Wednesday today. So it is active currently, but you can see that this is no SSL. Click here to browse XSL. So don't worry about all of that. So let's try to visit this website to see if it is active. Currently it is not active, so we need to give it like 24 hours. Usually it takes less. I can take 30 minutes, it can take 2 hours, it can take 1 hour, but you're supposed to give it at least 24 hours to propagate, and then they will host it. All right, so your website will go live. So but right now they are still propagating the website, trying to host it and all that. So the website is not live yet, but you can start designing your website, installing your plugins, and all of that. Okay, good. So guys, this is how to buy your domain and your hosting. So easy, right? So in the next video, we are going to be adding WordPress because this is a no code website. We're not going to be coding anything. So we're going to be installing WordPress to help us manage our website design, everything